Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today's topic is speech on 14th August 2024 यानी हमारे आज़ादी का दिन. Assalamu alaikum, dear fellow Pakistanis. Today we celebrate a historic day, the 78th anniversary of our beloved country independence. We pay tribute to Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah and Allama Iqbal, who envisioned a separate homeland for Muslims. Their vision and leadership made Pakistan a reality. As the great poet say, पाकिस्तान का मतवाल है ये देश है मेरी जन्नत. पाकिस्तान का मतवाल है ये देश है मेरी जन्नत. मैं इसकी धरती से हमेशा राब्ता रखूंगा. I am a lover of Pakistan. This land is my paradise. I will always be connected to it. Let us remember the words of Qaid-e-Azam: faith, unity, and discipline, the guiding principle for our nation's progress. Let us work together to build a prosperous and strong Pakistan, a nation where every citizen can live with dignity and pride. Long live Pakistan! Pakistan Zindabad!